Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. What? It's 5 AM. Okay, I've just got the studio. All the tank lights are actually off. Now, I've sat down at my desk, which is here, and I saw, as I always do, the discus just behaving a little bit strange. So I've gone over steadily to look over because it looked like eggs again, and I was a bit like, well, last time everyone was saying the reason eggs are getting eaten is because I was going to them to show them to you, which is a bit of a paradox, but never mind. Anyway, look over. No, you can't see because the background blur, but it's happened again. They've laid eggs, but they're all over that bit of wood that they laid the eggs on before. I don't know. I probably shouldn't go over there, but I've got to sort of check it out. They seem to be tending for it. Like, I'm going to stay here, put the zoom lens on, and do it from here. The lights aren't on yet, but I don't want to disturb them. I don't want to get them eaten. Oh my god! Okay, that's the same pair that we saw before. They're over in the corner. The male isn't eating the eggs. Not yet, anyway. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. I can't not go near my tank as I'm in here, can I? So they've got to get used to me being here without them being eaten. Okay, there is the male, is obviously the bottom one. The female is the top one. I don't know why I'm pointing. You know what bottom and top is. But they're just tending so gently for it at the moment. Can I get in a bit closer? Oh, if I turn the lights off, there, look at all of those eggs. Can you guys see that? There we go. Oh my goodness. That is nuts. Look, the male's not eating them. Look, she's noticed me though. I'm going to move away. I'm going to move away. The other fish start to come over, but they seem to know at the moment just to keep their distance. This is absolutely fascinating and astonishing. Maybe he's learnt second go. I'm not going to hold out for that. I'm going to assume that this isn't going to work, obviously. Oh, wow. Well, many of you guys said before that if I really want this to work, I'm going to need to sort them out another tank. I'm going to see how this run goes, obviously, but I think that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put them in their own tank next to it. I'm going to get one ordered up. Deliveries are taking longer at the moment, but you know, there's no massive rush. I'm pretty sure this is going to continue happening now. Once you sort of get a pair, apparently, you've got a pair. But wow, how cool would it be if I didn't have to do anything at all and it just happened in this tank? They protected their young. I feel like that section over there is completely separate to the rest of the tank and would be sort of easily... You could avoid conflict, I think. I think the pair could defend their own territory there with young without all hell breaking loose all around the tank, because there's all those different sections. You can go in and out the middle, the whole other side. We'll see, but you know, I've got to make preparations that it doesn't work. But to be fair, I've got lots of options. Right, so it's 20 minutes later. The fish are getting interested around that area, but it looks like the male is protecting, and also he could be sperminating. I don't know what the word is. Fertilizing, I guess. That's the male you can see there in the reflection in the glass. Just there, see? And he keeps putting up his bottom end. I'm guessing it's his sperm shooter. over the eggs. This is nothing like what happened before. Before, all he wanted to do is push the female out of the way so that he could get to the eating. But that's not happening now. Look, the female, look, she's chasing him away, which is brilliant. We don't want to get him too close because they will want to eat it, 100%. But the good thing is as well, the two that have paired up are the biggest discus in the tank as well. So you look at the size of that female there. And then there's, I think that's the male right behind it, look. But now it's going back to its area where the male is currently tending to the eggs, it appears. Anyway. Oh, this could be so cool. I don't want to get too close. I'm zoomed right in, guys, so I'm not as close as it looks. I'm like right actually further back. I'm 3 meters away at the moment. No, 2.5. Look, there's all the eggs. You can still see them. Let me get my black shadow onto it. There we go. Yes, this is so cool. Oh, fingers crossed. Look at this. Hello. Maybe I could come and help as well? No, you can't help. These are not your eggs. Maybe you can do daycare once they've sort of hatched and grown a little and you're not going to destroy them. Okay, I take the daycare. I clean, I cook. I don't know what I'm doing, sorry. Getting carried away there. Male again, see, there's the male. Last time, as soon as they were on that wood, he was eating them. But now he's doing weirdness. He's doing a weird sort of fanny thing and putting his sperm shooter up to him, I hope anyway. This is so exciting. I can't even, oh wow. We're about 20 minutes away from the lights actually being put on, so I'm just going to step away now. Hopefully the lights on don't spook them, but maybe it will. A changing conditions, I guess, could cause stuff to happen. I'm not even sure. This is all new. Right, it's 6 AM. The lights have literally just flicked on the discus tank. Let's go over and take a look. Well, not too close, but with the zoom lens. They're all down in that area. I guess they're sort of interested. I don't know what the lights being on difference would make with that, but oh my goodness, look at that. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We've got hundreds of eggs there. Yes, and he seems to be just sort of guarding them. That's the male, guys. Seems to be a little chink out of the side of him there, but you know, it's healing, whatever it is. It seems to be fine, but look at that. That looks absolutely stunning. I'm not going to go too close. I'm about 1.5 meters away, but that looks stunning, doesn't it? Oh, I'm so happy. I'm still not getting my hopes up. This might not work. You know, it's second time. Second time is still very early. These guys need to learn the process. Now the female is amongst it all. This is the female, look, right in the middle of these group. That's the one that she's guarding them. She's using her body to block the area off, and a little nip when needed as well, which is perfect. Go on, girl, keep going. You protect your babies, potential babies. Dad's doing a great job. I mean, he's kind of being a bit lazy and just staying there, but I guess that's how it works. See that? Yeah, they're all. Yeah, if they get too close, she goes for a big nip. And that's fair enough. They're definitely interested in what's going on though. But it could be because, like, they know that they're staying over. I don't know. It'd be so interesting if we could sit there and hear them talking. Oh, seeing them off. Yes, good. That's what we want. That's what we want to see. A greater chance of success if you've got, like, a really dominant, good female. And it's, like I said, it's the biggest female of the group as well. So guys, it's now been, well, about 4 hours since I first noticed the eggs. Everything is all still very good. The discus that have spawned have gone a very, very dark colour. It did sort of, see, look, you can see the difference. It did worry me to start with, and then obviously I've looked it up. Completely normal. The discus just go darker after laying eggs. Well, the pair laid eggs, I don't really know. Why would the male go darker as well? It's just there's some sort of chemistry going on between them, and it's just working perfectly at the moment. Now, what I've just ordered is a brine shrimp hatchery ready for if anything happens. Even if it doesn't, I'll have it here for the next time. I've got one of those ones that can stick to your tank, so I'll probably stick it to the side over there. It'll get the light and it'll have an outlet as well so that it can just be bubbling away. That'll be absolutely amazing. But if it doesn't work out this time, I will move those two discus. Problem is, where am I going to move them to? Well, we've got the neon tank next to them. I really like that tank, but it's a bit too small for a pair of discus this size, I think. I mean, look, that in there, or maybe not. A lot of people are saying that you need to keep the aquarium size for the pair smaller so that when the babies hatch and become wigglers, they can find their mum straight away. So maybe that is good. What do you reckon, guys? Should I use a 60 centimeter 2-foot tank, or should I use a tank like this one, which is a 3-foot one that I've got a goldfish in? Well, the goldfish can be moved because I've already got like a 90 centimeter, just over 3-foot tank next door as well. So this tank could be the perfect one to put the breeding pair in. I could do like, I'd do a similar sort of scape. I just wouldn't bother with the plants. I'd just do it all hard scape, but with the same wood. They obviously like the wood. It's worked well, so why not use it again? But yeah, we can put the goldfish next door in my other studio. Follow me. Okay, so we're in the other studio. This is the tank I'm talking about. This is going to be for the goldfish anyway. It's going to be a really cool scape I was going to do for them. I'm just waiting to get materials and things like that, and they're quite happy where they are at the moment, but maybe I speed that process along, or just move them across into here, just attach the filter and everything, and just move them across in the meantime so I can use that other tank. Now, ideally, I'd just buy another tank. Not this one, but they're all out of stock at the moment and not coming until after Christmas, so I can just shift it around in the meantime. Or maybe I'll just order a lower quality one that's not sort of opti-white glass. I'm a bit of a snob with opti-white glass now, but you know, so we've got options is what I'm saying. But I am keen to know what you think. Is the 2-foot tank, the 60 centimeter tank, actually better for the pair, even though it's smaller, than the larger one? Because I really want this to work and I want to get it right. Experienced breeders out there, if you're watching this, please let me know. 60 centimeter, 80 centimeter. Obviously I can look this stuff online, but it's always good to get, you know, responses from people in person rather than just reading something that someone might have written that didn't really know what it, you know what I mean? It's just, it's good to get opinions, isn't it? Well guys, guess what? It's the next day and disaster. All gone. Now, I don't know what happened. I don't know who ate them. The males ate them, if the other fish ate them.
All I know is just definitely confirmed for me that I want to get that extra tank set up and get those pair into their own area. Look more into that side of the hobby. It's something I've not really looked into properly. I was just kind of going to try and wing it, and hopefully it worked in here, but that isn't the case. That's all right, or maybe it will work the next time. I don't know. They're still young. They're still learning. You know, there is no rush. I don't think they're going to be like running out of eggs anytime soon or anything. So just take my time with it, find a good setup for them, and hopefully we can make this happen at some point in the near future. I mean, worst case scenario, I actually take the wrong blue fish out and put them together and nothing happens. But no, I did pay attention to what was the male and what was the female and the markings and everything, so it should be good with that. But yeah, over in that corner, look, I think that's where I'm going to put the tank. I'm going to get a 3-foot tank or a 2-foot tank. Again, I'm not sure. You guys tell me, 3-foot or 2-foot for a breeding pair. Either way though, guys, we've got some exciting times coming up ahead of us. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and I will see you on the next one.